तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि the deep line is India is one of the richest countries in the world.
Right.
Not by any other way, but by its talent and its resource.
True.
और वो resource को हमें
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And all the very best. We are looking forward to see you.
मैंने सोचा हुआ था बट इस तरह से बोल रहा है कि इस बहुत टाइम सर ने भी घर में डर लग रहा है बोलते हुए नहीं सर मैं बोल देता हूँ मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट किया था before the event started. It was 41 degrees. Now when you enter it is 43, right?
Yeah, but when Bowman signed it, it was 40. तो उन्होंने भी 1 डिग्री
1 डिग्री बढ़ा दिया सर बट सर यू आर राइट आप लोग यहाँ पे मेरे लिए 1 डिग्री बढ़ी ना था तो
पसीने छूट रहे हैं
नहीं पसीने तो ऐसी गर्मी की वजह से छूट रहे हैं बट लेट्स गो रामी your look and your character in the movie बहुत ही different है इस बार भाई का वो bold है काफी ज्यादा वो एकदम rowdy look है जो आपका है so tell us about the preparation about your character in the movie
My preparation and my character काश मैं पूरे टाइम में ये सोचूं कि काश आप लोग सब मेरे डायरेक्टर बुच्ची बाबू से मिल पाते क्योंकि वो है बहुत ही छोटे साइज में बहुत ही मतलब छुई हुई से चुपचाप रहते हैं लेकिन उनका जो तेवर जो अंदाज है मैं बस उन्हीं को कॉपी करी थी आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस इनफैक्ट हम सब बुच्ची बाबू के फैंस हैं सो माय प्रेप वाज जस्ट टू फॉलो हिम रियली
and obviously Ramcharan sir के opposite काम करना we all want to know the experience you know सब ये बोल रहे हैं कि it was a way you know बहुत ज़्यादा learning थी काफी लोगों ने सीखा it was very fun कहीं से लगा नहीं ऐसा what's your experience
with Ram sir?
Yes.
Oh, it was amazing. It was a wonderful working experience and I think I got to know a lot about him as a person. जो ये राउडीपना आप लोग इस ट्रेलर में देख रहे हो ये पेद्दी के किरदार में देख रहे हो वो वैसे बिल्कुल नहीं है actually I'm realizing as I'm speaking maybe this is a South Indian trait because everyone's like this in real life but in front of the camera वो सेट पे जब आते थे ना जैसे हमने ये हेलो सॉन्ग अभी हम एक दूसरे को हेलो कभी नहीं बोलेंगे हम सिर्फ हेलो बोलेंगे ठीक है हालेलुया वो जब जानी मास्टर हमें कोरियोग्राफी बताते थे ना तो राम सर ओके मास्टर ओके टेक और मैं करके आते और मैं इनको डर जाती थी सो या दैट वाज अमेजिंग टू लर्न फ्रॉम दैट काइंड ऑफ
सर सबसे पहले मैं जो आपसे वहां बैठ के बात कर रहा था मैं वही एक चीज पूछना चाहूंगा आप इतना अच्छा कैसे डांस करते हो
Producer अच्छा payment दिया sir I'm joking no
well you float like anything on floor sir क्या बोलना चाहोगे about the movie what you like to address
welcome Delhi press thank you for so much for coming here means a lot to have all your support coming to your question sorry
so about the movie what would you like to tell the press
I mean it's everything what Bowman sir said Divyendu said and Janvi said and I would just add to that saying like Janvi said बहुत शिद्दत से काम किया है हम लोग very sincerely we worked and I'm so fortunate to have a very sincere producer a very sincere director and the legend Mr. A.R. Rahman and Bowman sir Divyendu it is I mean this won't happen if it's planned I think it's a very divine intervention that all this happened and like knowingly or unknowingly, we worked very, very sincerely for the last 2.5 years. And it's a good film. End of the day, it's a great entertainer. Yes, it has some uplifting moments. It will inspire you. And like my producer said, please go with children. I don't know the impact it will have on them, but it will not disappoint them. You will be happy that you've taken your children to this film.
right so yes Bhavan sir also
The films that we are making in the South have changed. It's not very urban driven. It's completely Mitika stories. All the 3 films I've done, which are really done very well in the box office, all are Hamara Mitika stories. Like Bowman sir said, they're not in the cities. They're maybe in the villages, the towns. They're super talented. Our archery team of India, all the archers of India are from a tribal. They're tribals.
wow
Inherently they have that talent of bow and arrow so none of them have come from the cities and the YMCAs they have come from the tribals so it is nice that some chairmen of archery have found that talent in the villages and the tribal clan like that in West Bengal there is the most famous Ravi उनका नाम क्या है West Bengal में वो stadium भी बनाया था ना Mohammed, huh. So I was in Delhi last time. I was meeting Mr. Modi and I told him, he asked me, what is this film about?
Yeah.
I said, sir, I don't know if it's true, but Vikasit Bharat is empowering. Push the film and make sure everybody goes and watches this. It is something, it's an experience, like it's a very large scale theatre experience you're going to see. So yeah, I mean, once you like it on June 4th, please promote this film. Thank you.
Thank you.